Hi everyone, welcome back to this program with the scriptures, the book of Psalm. Let's continue Psalm chapter 4. You will see the word Selah in this chapter as well. If you do not know the word Selah yet, please look at Psalm chapter 3. Psalm chapter 4, verse 1 to 8, to the chief musician with the stringed instruments, a psalm of David. Hear me when I call, O God of my righteousness. You have relieved me in my distress. Have mercy on me and hear my prayer. How long, O you sons of men, will you turn my glory to shame? How long will you love worthlessness and seek falsehood? Selah. But know that the Lord has set apart for himself him who is the godly. The Lord will hear when I call to him. Be angry and do not sin. Meditate within your heart on your bed and be still. Selah. Offer the sacrifices of righteousness and put your trust in the Lord. There are many who say, who will show us any good? Lord, lift up the light of your countenance upon us. You have put gladness in my heart, more than in the season that their grain and wine increased. I will both lie down in peace and sleep, for you alone, O Lord, make me dwell in safety. Thanks for joining with me. See you next time.